What's up, YouTube? Jeremy Martin 72 here, and I'm just doing my third time trying to unpack this Trezor cryptocurrency wallet. This box is made to be obviously tamper-proof. I thought I could just sit there and take a knife to it and cut it open. No, I had to gnaw this thing open. If you suspect the package has been opened by someone else, keep the box as it is and contact Trezor support. Yes. Now, Trezor.io is where you go, and that's also where your wallet is going to be. It is made in the EU, and you want to make sure that all these holographic stickers are fun. Those holographic stickers, they aren't what they look like. This stuff is really thick and really hard to cut through. So it comes with a getting started book, and it also comes with two of these. I've already used one. This is to write down your 24-word recovery key. And you get two stickers that are rectangular and two stickers that are square, both black and white. And you get a lanyard for your key, as well as a USB-A to USB Mini. And as far as the Trezor itself goes, it's really lightweight. It's obviously plastic feeling, and it comes with plastic on top of it to keep it from getting scratched up. And you plug it in through there. Let me see if I can get it in there for you. All right, you plug it in there. That's where the micro goes into. There's no battery inside of this thing, so you don't have to worry about recharging it, and it's got a good click to it. Anyways, my brothers and sisters, I'm going to do some videos on how to install this and run your own Trezor wallet online through the Chrome browser. All right, brothers and sisters, later.